Strawberry on my lips and sugar fingertips. I can feel the beat running through the speakers.
Hello everyone. So I want to start this video first to tell you hello and how are you? As you can see, I moved again and I try not to speak so loud to not interrupt my neighbor there. And the video, as you can see, is a try and haul of a brand Peace Bird. Firstly, I will show you what I ordered from the Peace Bird, and it's not the unboxing or unpacking because I already wear these pieces for several weeks and I'm really satisfied with the quality. So the first one is this dress, as you can see. It's short one and it's really cute. First of all, I like the color and I like the material. As you can see, it's very unique and you will not find here in Europe in mass market such model. I think it's more like Asian kind of inspired style. Also, what I want to see is about the fabric. You can see this? Yeah, you can see here. Yeah, especially in this part. It's really interesting fabric. And what I like also that it's not transparent because it has two layers, so the dress is kind of thick and non-transparent, which is amazing. Amazing quality, guys, and I really love it. I received a lot of compliments when I wore it. I wore it to the museum night in Paris. This is a really cool event, and I also post video and pictures on Instagram. You can see them somewhere here. And yeah, people really love this dress on me. I like how the color match with my skin and with my hair, so I think it's amazing. The next one is the same cotton t-shirts, but I really love the material. I will show you. So here they are. Oh yeah, I have the one in a blue, grayish blue color. Also, I have in pistache green and in white. So yeah. These three pieces I was wearing as well. Maybe now you think that this is transparent, but really, guys, it's not like that. You can see my hand only like this. So what I really love that it's non-transparent and the materials is thick. Yeah, just because the light here, but it's not transparent. I prove you one more time. Like that. It's okay. I mean, it's really non-transparent. The material is thick, which is super good for summer. It's very comfy, it's soft, and here is really cute details. I really love this one. So I ordered one and the same t-shirt in several colors, in a blue, grayish blue, in a white, and in green. This pistachio green looks really amazing and match amazing with my skin and with denim. I have here downstairs a denim jacket, so ooh, something fell already. So as you can see, yeah, this is pretty nice combination. So in the next part of the video, guys, you will see me wearing this dress to the museum night, and I filmed for you two museums. It's Musée d'Orsay and what was the next one? Yeah, it was Musée Rodin, and I will write it here. And after like a short videos when I was wearing these t-shirts in different color in Paris, I really love this one. And thank you so much, Peace Bird, for sending me these pieces to try. I'm really satisfied with the quality, really love it. I really love it. You can find all of the links of the pieces which I order down in this video. You can find the link for the website in this video, under this video as well. Thank you so much. I love it. Thank you so much, Peace Bird. finally have time to talk with you. So today is the museum evening. This is kind of event which I was dreaming to I don't know, to take part of when I will be in Paris. And yeah, today my dream will come true, because this is like the day 14th of May, when like almost all museum open their doors for free. So you can just stay in the queue and you can go to the museum for free instead of like paying from 14 till 18 euros or 20, depend on the museum which you are, and just enjoy museum for free. Right now behind of me, this is the Musée d'Orsay. I will write it somewhere here, right? And I'm waiting for my friend. We will have like some lunch, and our plan is to come here. I actually been in this museum, but I was alone. I mean, I visited like several museums when I was alone in Paris, because I was working there before a lot. And after we go to Musée Rodin, which is I was really dreaming about to go to this museum. Yeah, so I will wait for my friend. We will have lunch, and after we will go there. I dressed really cute today. I have a really cute dress. This is a collaboration from the brand Peacebird. I will do it here. It's kind of really cute. I will try to do some pictures, but I need to check my makeup and everything like this. So yeah, just wait for my friend. I don't know where is he. Yeah, I think I will call. So anyway, I enjoyed this day today, and I will take you with me. Let's go. We have sandwiches with tuna, and I have Coca Zero. I'm in Musée Rodin, and it's my first time here. It was my dream to visit this, and today is for free. And as I understand, all the sculptures and pictures here are made by Rodin, which is super nice. Very beautiful. And there is a really beautiful garden with roses. It's like roses, like flora exhibition, which is super cool. So let's go.
So guys, I came to a very famous place. It's called Bouillon. And this one, you see? It's very famous here and the prices are really cheap for the starter and everything. I ordered avocado with shrimps with my friend to try snails and also the main dishes. And we will try here dessert. So this is the name and the address. We order avocado with shrimps. All the menu is here. Very funny. Snails and shrimps.
Oh yeah, sort of. It's a quick.
So guys, I finished my job. Now on my way home, it's so late, and today we're this green t-shirt from Pittsburgh. I really love it. I wear a lot the same in white color, and I also have in blue one. But this pistache color looks really good with denim. I like it really a lot.
Look how light is it. I mean, really. It's so cool. I can't believe this is like 9:30. I think it will be dark really fast.